Welcome to Forestry Tech, your go-to channel for the The video opens with a logging truck navigating a narrow, winding mountain road. The massive vehicle is carrying an oversized load of freshly cut logs, balancing precariously as the driver skillfully maneuvers sharp turns and steep inclines. The tires crunch against loose gravel, and the camera captures a heart-stopping moment as one wheel teeters dangerously close to the edge. This scene highlights the incredible focus and control required to keep these trucks on track. The video opens with a logging truck navigating a narrow, winding mountain road. The massive vehicle is carrying an oversized load of freshly cut logs, balancing precariously as the driver skillfully maneuvers sharp turns and steep inclines. The tires crunch against loose gravel, and the camera captures a heart-stopping moment as one wheel teeters dangerously close to the edge. This scene highlights the incredible focus and control required to keep these trucks on track. In this scene, a bulldozer is clearing a muddy, waterlogged road to make way for other vehicles. The operator pushes through the thick mud, creating a solid path while carefully avoiding nearby obstacles like trees and rocks. The camera pans to a stuck logging truck waiting for the path to be cleared. This clip emphasizes how essential teamwork and coordination are in these challenging environments. The video then transitions to an intense rescue operation. A logging truck has become deeply stuck in a muddy swamp, and an excavator is called in to pull it free. The camera captures the teamwork in action as the excavator carefully positions its bucket to pull the truck out without damaging it. After a few tense moments, the truck is freed, and the team celebrates the successful recovery. For the finale, we see a massive demolition operation. A skilled excavator operator systematically takes down an old building, starting with the roof and working their way down. The camera captures slow-motion shots of the structure crumbling under the powerful strikes of the excavator's bucket arm. The precision and control on display ensure that the surrounding area remains untouched. It's a perfect ending that showcases the incredible power and finesse of heavy machinery. A loaded logging truck navigates a steep, muddy hillside road after heavy rain. The truck's rear tires lose traction and begin to slide, creating a nail-biting moment. The driver skillfully regains control just before the truck tips over. The camera captures the truck's precision movements and the muddy terrain, emphasizing the dangers of operating on unstable ground. The next scene zooms in on the preparation process. A driver inspects the logging truck, checking tire pressure, securing the log straps, and examining the hydraulic systems. Close-up shots show the attention to detail, from testing the brakes to making adjustments on the equipment. This scene highlights the importance of thorough safety checks before starting any operation. This segment focuses on a dramatic rescue operation. A logging truck is shown stuck in deep mud, with its wheels completely submerged. The camera pans to a team working together to dig out the mud with an excavator. Then, a winch is attached to the truck, and the recovery process begins. The tension builds as the truck is carried. The camera cuts to a demolition site, where an excavator is tearing down a building. Suddenly, the hydraulic arm stops working mid-operation. The operator calmly powers down the machine and calls for maintenance. The next shots show a mechanic arriving on site, diagnosing the issue, and repairing the excavator quickly. The scene highlights the importance of having backup plans and technical support during critical tasks. This segment features a cautionary tale. A logging truck attempts to take a shortcut through a swampy area, ignoring warnings about unstable ground. The truck sinks into the mud, and the logs begin to shift dangerously. The video captures the chaos as the team scrambles to assess the situation. This scene drives home the importance of following safety protocols and avoiding unnecessary risks. Thank you for watching this deep dive into safety, risks, and recovery here on Forestry Tech. If you enjoyed these incredible moments of skill, preparation, and teamwork, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let us know in the comments which scene impressed you the most. Until next time, stay safe out there.